Hey everyone! If you want to create Hollywood-level cinematic videos without owning an expensive camera, then this video is for you. And the crazy part? None of this was filmed with a real camera. This was created using AI inside Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. One of the biggest upgrades is 3D navigation. You can move the camera through the scene and control depth for a more cinematic feel. You can control the character's emotion, like serious, intense. Now we also have multi-shot control. Connected shots that feel like a real movie scene. Speed ramping is built in. You can add smooth slow motion or dramatic speed changes in one click. These are some major upgrades in Cinema Studio 2.0. Now, let's test everything step by step. I'm going to show you the full workflow, step by step, and we'll see if this tool is actually worth using in 2026. Let's visit the official Higgsfield AI website and see what they are showing about Cinema Studio 2.0. Click on the first link. As soon as you land on the homepage, you can see that the interface is very clean and simple. It's not confusing, and everything is easy to find. At the top, you'll notice options like Create Video, Explore Templates, and Cinema Studio 2.0. This makes it easy for any creator to start right away. The layout feels organized, and it looks like the platform is designed for people who want to create cinematic videos without a complicated setup. Now let's click on Cinema Studio 2.0 and see how the actual workflow works. Now we're inside Cinema Studio 2.0. This is where the real creative process starts. You can see the workspace in the center, and all the main controls are clearly placed around it. Everything looks clean and easy to understand. Nothing feels complicated. So after coming here, I tried it a little bit. Dude, its result is next level, I'm telling you. Now I will make a Hollywood-like movie and show it. Then you will know, as I showed in the starting. So first of all, let's understand the interface here. If you come inside it, you will get to see some options here. Now we are in the image option. Here you get to see the plus icon. If you click on it, you can upload images for reference. Here you get to see the batch size. That means you want to create one image or two images. So I have to do one, so I will select one. After that is the aspect ratio. You will get to see all the sizes here. Now you can select the size in which you want to make the video. So I have to do it in 16:9, so I will select that. Now you will get to see the resolution option here. You can generate images up to 4K here. For now, we will simply select 2K. After that, you get a grid feature. You can select the grid generator from here. You can select 1x1 or 2x2. For now, I will let it be normal. After that, if we click here, you get to see Create Your Reference Element. Here you can create an element by giving your own reference image. As soon as you click on Create New, the Upload Image option will appear. After you upload and create, your element will be created. After that, you get to see a great feature. I will click on the Cinema Camera Lens. Here you will get to see all the cameras that are used in movie clips. By selecting those camera bodies and lenses, we can generate an amazing image. Its quality will be similar to real camera quality. Now let's generate an image quickly. To generate an image, you can use a prompt or a reference image. I will use a prompt. Here I have written a story and everything is written scene by scene. We will copy the image prompt of the first scene. After copying, we will come back to Cinema Studio and paste it here. After pasting, we have to select the camera. So I select the camera, Studio Digital S35. Now I have to select the lens. Premium Modern Prime I select 35mm. After that, I will click on Generate. Now we just have to wait a little. Finally, the image has been generated. Let me open it and show you its quality. You can see the image has been generated in high quality and looks natural. Now we will go back and copy the image prompt of the second scene. Paste it here and click Generate again. Our second image has also been generated. You can see the quality and how perfect the image looks. In the same way, we have to copy all the prompts and generate the images. After that, we will convert them into video. I have generated all the scenes. Now I select this image. A wonderful feature has been added: angle. Here we can change the angle. We can increase the zoom. We can change the rotation. You can set the angle of the image from here. If you click Generate again, the image will be generated from that selected angle. If you don't want to adjust manually, you can click Generate from 12 best angles. Click on it and generate. Now the automatic 12 best angle images will start generating. You can see our image has been generated from 12 different cinematic angles. Now here, we also get the option to create a 3D model. Click on Create 3D Scene. The 3D scene will start generating. Now let's open it. You can scroll and see from every angle: up, down, left, right. You can view the full depth of the scene. If you want to download it, you get the download option. Now it's time to convert into video. First, select the image. Click on Animate. Here you will see two options: Start Frame and End Frame. Set this as the start frame. Now go to the second image and set it as the end frame. After selecting the end frame, we get many options. At the top, you see the director panel. You can upload images and add animation from here. Below that, you get single shot. Click on it and you will see single shot, multi-shot, auto multi-shot, manual. We will select auto. Then select the aspect ratio, 16:9. After that, select quality, 1080p or 720p. We will choose 1080p. Next is the general option. Here you can select the video style. If you are making a horror video, select horror. If you are making comedy, select comedy. We are making a cinematic action video, so I select action. After that comes speed ramp. This is a next level tool. With this feature, the video becomes 10 times better. It is currently set to auto. If you click on it, you can customize impact timing, speed, and slow motion. You can adjust it manually. For now, I will keep it on auto. Then set duration to full, 12 seconds. After that, choose camera movement. Select the cinematic movement you prefer. Now paste the video prompt. Click Generate and wait. The video has been generated. To download, click on the three dots and download the video. Now I have converted all the scenes into video. Let me show the final output. You can see how amazing our cinematic video looks. You can also make cinematic videos like this using Cinema Studio 2.0. That's how you can create cinematic videos using Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. If you want to try it yourself, the official link to Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0 is in the description below. Go check it out and start creating your own cinematic videos. Subscribe.